Welcome to CRIS online classroom. Now we will see how to create a live session from the admin panel. Step 1, you have to go to app.futureoflearn.com. Then with your login credential you have to log in. So we are now at app.futureoflearn.com. I am giving one login credential. And I am entering the password. Now I am clicking on login. Once I click on login, I am on the dashboard. Now step number 2 is on the left pane we have to click on session, then click on add session. So on this left pane we are clicking on session, then we are clicking on create session. So when we click on create session we will get this form. Now the third step is we have to fill in this form with the following details. Like session type we have to select live, session name we have to enter the session name, select batch we have to select grade 10, select course we have to select 10th standard, select subject we have to select whether science or maths, then we have to enter the topic, then we have to select the teacher, then select the date for the live session and time and start time and end time of the live session, select the platform and create. Now we will do that. So in the session type I am clicking the drop down and selecting on live. Then I am entering the session name as maths. Then I am selecting the batch as grade 10 and selecting the course as 10th standard. Now I am selecting the subject mathematics. Now I am entering the topic trigonometry. Now I am selecting the teacher, so I have teachers, and then date of the class I am selecting 1st October 2020. Then start time, here the clock is of 24 hours, so if you have to create class at 1:30 p.m. you have to select you have to select 1:30 p.m. Okay. Then you have to select the end date, which is end time. I'm selecting 2:20 p.m. So now I have selected mathematics class on topic trigonometry to be happening on 1st of October from start time of 1:31 to end time of 2:20 p.m. Now I am selecting the platform as WebEx, then selecting user. By default whatever you will get, you select that and click on create. Now successfully the session has been created. Now the next is, if you see, if I fill in all this detail and create, now session has been created. You can see all the session whatever is there in session list. Now we will see how to edit a live session. So you have to again click on the left pane session, then on the list, and you will see all the list of scheduled live classes. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll this, scroller is at the bottom, so you have to scroll this to the right end and you will see edit icon. So you have to click on create, then you have to scroll and click on edit icon. So if I click on edit icon, then again I will be taken to this page. I can do all the changes whatever I want, and then I can, now I will select time from 1:31, I will select to 1:20 p.m. Then again I am clicking on update. Now session updated successfully. This is how you can edit the live session. Thank you.